Saturday morning. It's kind of cloudy, but it's not supposed to rain today, so we're heading over to Dad's, and we're going to get going on the in-frame on his bus. He doesn't have the cylinder head back yet. It's not going to be back to like Monday from the machine shop, so we can't get that far. But he did say there was going to be a Harbor Freight and a Tractor Supply run this morning. So that's enough incentive to get me out of bed before 11. So we've been out here for a few hours. We're trying to get the bolt back through that rear engine mount, but it's fighting us as much going back in as it came back out. We've got the bell housing bolts back in. They're not tight. They're just in there enough to hold it in. We wanted to wait to tighten everything up until we get it back in place. But right now, the engine has come back a little bit and it's twisted towards us. So we're trying to jack it and use straps to get it pulled back to the right place, try to get in line so that bolt will go through. But so far we haven't made much progress at it. 2 hours later, I'm not joking, it has been 2 hours. The bolt is almost out of the mount. We've got to move that far. It's been slow going. We've pretty much been grabbing the shaft of the bolt with a pipe wrench. What'd you do?
I knocked the socket off. It hasn't hit me in the face yet.
Oh, it's stuck to the pipe wrench. Move your face back, then move the pipe wrench. It's sitting right there. Hang on, let me get the camera in here. I'm still recording. That was lucky. That would have hurt.
Where's that?
Move the wrench back. All right, it's wedged up in there. It ain't falling. Reach up in there and grab it. There you go. Almost caught a 3/4 drive socket to the face. But yeah, it's been literally just spinning that shaft with a pipe wrench while getting a pry bar against the tank and pushing to get the bolt to thread through. I don't know what it is with your bus, but everything turns into a one-day job just to get one bolt moved. This thing doesn't like us.
Is it pulling it in?
Put the wrench back on, I'll let you know. Yeah, the socket's not spinning.
Okay.
This has been hours in the making, but the bolt is finally through enough that we got the nut on it.
We started this at noon.
It was like 11 when we started this.
Well, we took a lunch break though.
I don't know, it's like almost 3 o'clock, I think.
Holy shit.
So, solid. Yeah, it's been way too long today, just on one bolt.
One of us is a lot dirtier than the other.
I still, like, fully subscribe to the fact that I am here to help, which means that I will spend as much time not laying under a bus as possible. Well, this is starting to go. We just got a rain update. Apparently rain is only like 2 minutes out, and it's going to be going on and off for the next hour.